Hello, the video explores the significance of the €1-1 coin minted in Italy in 2014, discussing its historical context, design features, and collector's value. It provides insights into the minting process, the role of the euro currency in the European economy, and the unique characteristics that distinguish the 2014 Italian 1-cent coin from others. Viewers are guided through the aesthetics of the coin, including its imagery and materials, and the broader implications of small denomination coins in everyday transactions and as collectibles. Highlights: minting milestone. The €1 coin from Italy in 2014 marks a significant year in the country's numismatic history. Design details. The coin features distinct Italian imagery, showcasing the nation's cultural heritage and artistry. Collector's market. The 2014 1-cent coin has garnered interest among collectors, influencing its market value. Economic role. Small denomination coins, like the 1-cent, play a critical role in everyday transactions within the Eurozone. Euro symbolism. The euro as a currency symbolizes European unity and economic collaboration among member states. Cultural reflection. The design of the coin reflects Italy's rich history and its contributions to European culture. Rarity factor. Coins from specific years, such as 2014, can be rarer due to limited minting runs, affecting their desirability among numismatists. Key insights. Historical context of the 1-cent coin. The €1 is not merely a denomination, but a representation of a broader economic landscape. Introduced as part of the euro currency in 2002, the coin signifies the integration of multiple European economies. The 2014 minting particularly stands out due to the ongoing evolution of the euro's role amidst economic challenges faced by member states, making it a coin of interest for both historians and economists. Aesthetics and design features. The design of the €1 coin minted in Italy showcases Italy's artistic legacy. The imagery is carefully selected to resonate with national identity, illustrating elements that reflect Italian culture. This attention to design not only enhances the coin's aesthetic appeal but also elevates its status as a collectible item, as enthusiasts seek coins that carry rich stories and cultural significance. Market dynamics for collectors. The demand for the 2014 Italian 1-cent coin has shown fluctuations, driven by collector interest and rarity. As with many collectibles, factors such as condition, minting errors, and market trends can influence the value significantly. The video highlights how collectors often seek specific years or mint marks, which can lead to spikes in market interest and pricing for certain coins. Importance in daily transactions. Though often overlooked, small denomination coins like the €1 are vital for everyday transactions. They facilitate cash transactions in a practical manner, allowing for precise monetary exchanges. The video discusses how the presence of such coins can affect consumer behavior and pricing strategies in retail environments. Euro as a unifying currency. The euro serves as a unifying force among its member states, symbolizing economic collaboration and solidarity. The 1-cent coin, albeit small, is a tangible representation of this unity. The video elaborates on how the design choices reflect not just national pride, but also a commitment to a collective European identity. Cultural significance of minted coins. Coins often serve as historical artifacts, and the 2014 1-cent is no exception. It encapsulates a moment in Italy's economic history, illustrating how currency can tell stories about national identity, economic shifts, and cultural heritage. The video emphasizes the importance of collecting and preserving coins as a way to connect with history and culture. Rarity and its impact on value. The rarity of specific coins can significantly influence their value in the collector's market. The 2014 Italian 1-cent may not be rare in terms of production numbers, but specific characteristics, such as unique minting errors, can elevate its desirability. This dynamic is crucial for collectors who often invest in coins, not just for their face value, but for potential appreciation over time. In conclusion, the video provides a comprehensive overview of the 2014 Italian €1 coin, highlighting its historical, cultural, and economic significance. The detailed examination of its design, collector market dynamics, and role in everyday transactions illustrates the multifaceted importance of such a seemingly simple denomination. Through this exploration, viewers gain a deeper appreciation for numismatics and the stories that coins can tell about our societies. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to my channel Coins Dictionary 8. Like, share, comment and subscribe.